Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you know if someone saved your number on WhatsApp. So the first step, you simply need to go and open WhatsApp, and here you can see that person saved my number and I am able to see his profile picture. But that person not saved my number, so I'm unable to see his profile picture. And the other thing is that you need to click on updates and check the story. So let's suppose you post a story and after that that person is unable to see your story, so that means that person not save your number. And the other method, you simply need to click that and see the last scene of that person. So I am able to see that person last scene because I um in my privacy settings I turn off my last scene, so I'm able to see that person last scene. But for that person I am unable to see because that person not saved my number. So this is the process by which you can see if someone save your WhatsApp number. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.